Hello, hello, hello. This is Trap Trader, currently on holiday, and we are looking at ES. Today is Tuesday, right? There we go. So, yet again, I will do a little bit of trading in the replay mode. So, let's just start from the open. And what do we see? So, this is what you see before the open. We had that liquidity up here, which has been taken out. Now we got London buy side here. We do have a little bit of liquidity to grab here, here, and here. And obviously we have yesterday's high, the green line up here, and London sell side, and yesterday's low. I will switch into 1 minute again. Right, and we'll start to trade this. So let's see. Just to make sure we know where we are. Okay. And what was this level? Here's our first stop. That's our second stop. That's the third. And up here at 12, 7, 12. If we get up there. The time is 18 past, so let's go forward. I'm just trading price action, nothing else. I don't have footprint, I don't have bookmap, and this is replay mode. Today we'll trade only 1 hour and a half. No point to trade more. So what do we see before the open? We do have this level. It's a 15-minute candle. We have that level. That means that so we have swiped this whole liquidity. We grabbed the liquidity. We pushed into that liquidity up here. We sold. We pushed even higher. Fine. This is our London buy. Then we dropped and they started to buy one more time. And that looked bullish to me. So again, bullish at the open. You have to be careful with seek and destroy. You know, the situation, they might just push higher. But London buy side is very close. Not a lot of liquidity up here. So that's for sure. If I want to trade with 2 minutes, how about 1 minute? Let's go with 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes not great. 2.5 would be perfect. I would like to see a little bit. Okay, let's go with 3 minutes. Because I want to see other levels. Alright, so we do have this 3 minutes push. We are pushing towards London buy side. Technically speaking, they sold into it. Well, let's see what's gonna happen. Wow. Okay, so they sold, they dropped. I think I have to drop it into 1 minute because Otherwise, everything goes way too fast. Way too fast. Okay, so I will be thinking about buying 2 contracts somewhere here in this area. Yep. Just missed it. Okay. So now we have pushed into some sort of liquidity. Alright, this one. Let's watch this. I don't know why I have wanted to see this profile. It's 33. Alright, I'm going to buy this here. And I might buy one more if we drop a little bit lower. But, okay, so now we're sitting free contracts. And target for that would be will be up here. But we'll have to take some once we're in profit, so we can move our stop loss break even. Okay, I'm gonna sell one contract here. Actually 2. Stop loss break even plus cost. Come on, just move that. Why can't move this thing? Stop loss. I want to put the stop loss here. Okay, fine. So cost is covered. We just took a bit of on that move, and yeah. Let's see how far we're gonna go. Okay, we are creating bear flag. Let's look at the time all the time. We need to look at the time, so it's 39. A little bit of drop into fair value gap into bullish one. $42. I'm still happy with this trade. I don't want this trade to stop me here and go. Oh fuck, I know. Alright, so it's just been taken. 44. It means that this is 14 minutes from the open. Let's see what's going. Yeah, going up. I just got stopped. Now we're gonna probably push higher. And we did push into that liquidity. Yeah, and if I look at the volume profile, then we'll see the same thing. This volume has been, they did push into this liquidity up here. Fine. Okay, dropping one more time. So you wanna buy this somewhere here, because you know this is 1 minute, so this is just a 15-minute candle. A 15-minute candle will have liquidity below here, below this candle, but pretty much. Yeah, 96, sorry, 36, 32. So that is the liquidity on the 15-minute candle. And that is the top of the liquidity on the 15-minute candle. So we didn't take the top yet. We did sell a bit into it. This could qualify as you know, as transaction completed, because that's not a lot of liquidity up here. Very little liquidity. I mean, just one tick, but technically speaking, we didn't take the level. So okay, so we are dropping. Probably gonna go to this level, and we have also this pre-market level here. And if we look at volume profile, that's the level the market could drop into, or even here. That's it. That is 69, 69, 68. Okay. And well, we were here right now. So, and that is 50 past. We got 10 more minutes. Okay. What do you want to do here? So what I'm thinking, you know, they like to do that. Open drive up, open drive long. Early buyers are buying. I should have pushed on this. I should have pushed on that higher. Should have continued, but we did not continue. So something tells me that this is not right, and the liquidity is down here. So they could drop from here 702 to 96. That's 3 points. Okay, I'm gonna go on one contract. Just give it a little bit of space. And that is my target, basically, here, as a minimum. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, so we did push a bit higher. That's all right. Okay, I'm gonna add here. Wow, look at it push. So we matched that at this point. Alright, it looks like it's breaking structure. So because I have two contracts, so I can keep one here, and I'm gonna just close one here basically. If we get there. Looks like it's trying to break 59. 6, so that is 10 o'clock. Now we do have half an hour candle here. There's a lot of liquidity down here. So I want to close interview up. I want to close one contract interview up, but because I can't do it like this, so I'm gonna do that. And this is quite typical, similar behavior like yesterday. If we, there you go. If we hit that, so as we did, and at this point, I would assume we should make a little bit of pullback. I mean, technically speaking, this level has been taken, 15-minute candle has been taken, and a half an hour candle has been taken. Let's see, what's the next candle? Ooh, continuation. So at this point, do I want to long it? No, because we dropped below VWAP. Most likely we're gonna go and grab that liquidity here, which is only 3 points away. Almost got that. They have time. 6 past. Alright. Well, we take it in the proper way. This is just one tick below. But I'm gonna go long now because most of the time it's gonna push higher. Why I don't think we're gonna drop lower, because we already cleaned that liquidity with this drop. So I just go long here. Where's my stop loss? You're gonna ask me where's my stop loss. This can go 3 points lower, so somewhere here. And I will add, if I'm right. Okay, so now we took this properly. 91.90. So that's 1 point. 1 point would qualify as a proper stop loss run, especially when you have got electronic time frame, electronic trading hours. Not a lot of liquidity here, but just enough. So 1 point is enough. And if we look at this profile here, I mean, we could, technically speaking, we could drop lower, but as I said, this has been already cleared. So what they are trying to do is collect everything from here till there, in my opinion. So they're just grabbing that liquidity and they're holding it now. So yeah, what time is it? 10 past. Okay. Let's see the next candle. Alright, now we got some buying going on. I like that. I'm gonna add here. I would prefer if the price comes somewhere here and then I can add it. So let's see if I can do it. Boom, nice, I like that. I like this thing. That's 11 past. Okay, so definitely I have to close something. Why I cannot close? Why I can't close this? false position, reverse position. I mean, technically speaking, they will be pushing into the 15-minute candle. So, because this is 12, so where's 10 o'clock? 10 o'clock is here. So that means that a 15-minute candle is, I'm gonna remove this bit, don't need this. That means the 15-minute top is up here, right? Okay, so let's not get excited because we have this fair value gap first. I would say that that is the level you should close your trade into, basically push into this level. And to be secure, just go one tick below. Not great. Oops. Second time drop. Still dropping. Okay, now we got the bullish action. So they have bounced out of the view up first, and you know, the second time they get the view up, obviously we should be closing that there, but you know, like take something up here for sure. But for some reason I just can't do that. I can't put my take profit, you know, like one contract here. I can't just split this into one here. Don't know why. I should change this trading view. Okay, so at this point, because we have revisited the view up one second time, and this is like, let's say that's the first time, and this is the second time. The second time, there's a huge possibility we're just gonna push through it, and I want to close. Yeah, well, somewhere here. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close one here. Actually, two contracts here, and move that into this fair value gap. And let's see what we're gonna get. There you go, boom. So what happened now? We were dropping. We found a little bit of you know, longs covering into this level. A little bit of buying stepped in, and now we gotta push. Are we gonna drop again? I don't know. The thing is, okay, it's 10:20, so we have additional 40 minutes of trading. But at this point, the way you look at that is we went long from here, from the open. We got stopped on something here. We took some profit. Look at this level here. You know, this level is asking to be taken now. There's a lot of longs at the open. Gave a position on the drop down here below that level. So at this point, the market has got everything, you know, all the longs. And I would just go one contract here. Stop loss probably somewhere here. I mean, the ideal catch would be, you know, off that level here. But yeah, I mean, your stop loss needs to be here. There's no other way. And your target is basically push into these highs, but I'm not going to overstay my welcome, and I'm just going to close it somewhere here. This is where my profit is. So this is like almost 3 to 1 risk reward trade. Let's see. Wow. Okay. I'm pretty happy with that. Stop loss to be a little bit lower, just in case they go and grab that. Okay, fine. We're bouncing off this. Not sure what to do. I'm gonna hold this. I wanna see 25 past, 26, 27, 28. And we got the push. Wow. If I was on NinjaTrader, this I would like to see this candle, how the whole thing looks like here, how much volume is on it, how the delta looks like, and etc. I would also see in Bookmap what's going on, but I don't see it. It's just price action. So I can tell you that it's such a disadvantage just trading with pure candlesticks. It's a huge disadvantage. You just basically you don't know what's behind. This is actually very good to trade like this, just in replay mode. I mean, this could drop to the bottom easily, and I wouldn't even know why. But I could see everything on Bookmap. Alright, so now we got this powerful, crazy candle on 1 minute candle, which is a 92 to 98 at 6 points. It's huge. We just grabbed that high. Now let's see what's going to happen next. Okay, I like this pullback. I'm gonna add here. We still have time. We still have half an hour. Whew. Jesus, look at the drop. I thought I had a good pullback. It dropped. Oh, additional 2 points. Fine, but that's what we have. So this was imbalance. I just basically went out to fix that. This is 31. Okay, so I just missed something. This is 31. It means that we had a half an hour candle up here, and market sold into that, meaning now it can drop. So what I'm going to do at this point, I mean, you should be selling. You should be just selling a little bit into that, like one contract or something. You should be selling one contract into that. But because well, this can reverse into this fair value gap very easy. So if I'm stopped, I'm stopped. And if we continue, look at that, mate. Look at it. I don't even know what's that. Okay, oh, $200 up. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sell one here and keep the other one. So basically, I paid for my stop loss now, and I think we're gonna continue higher. I paid for my stop loss, and my stop loss can be much lower. Much lower. It can be basically below this, and because I think I took $100 more than that. So yeah, that's what I was expecting. Retest of this fair value gap one more time. We had profit for the second time, just $30. Climb back above you up. Okay, $93 again. Finally we got the push. Alright, okay. Finally we got the push. So now the target is up here. That means I'm gonna add. You might think like, wow, why did you add here? Why you didn't add here? But the thing is, this is the best add somewhere here, 98. So let's see if we can get that. Boom, yes we did. I add one more time. Beautiful. That's the add. But because of this replay thing, I can't do it. Which this thing, you know, you could just set up like second by second and see how the market moves and everything. But unfortunately, they don't do that. All right. So now, because I add somewhere here, I can replace that one. Do I want to replace this contract? No, I'm just gonna. Yeah, actually, I should replace that one contract. So I'm gonna replace that one contract. So I sold the one that I add. I add another one here. Let's go. Beautiful. We pushed into this liquidity, and from what I remember, it was 10 o'clock liquidity. Wow, that was the 10 o'clock liquidity. When we pushed into that, it means that we sold again, and that means I should have closed one contract here one more time. So I'm gonna close here that contract. All right, we got the push. Almost there. There we go. Beautiful. And that is $2,500. Obviously, this is you know, it's just a replay mode. It's much easier, and there's no money involved in this whatsoever. It's just a simulator, but still, the principles of the trading, you know, it worked. For me, this is over 1042. I mean, they still need to push into that liquidity. So if you are a greedy bastard, you could buy one more time here and take your target and put it there, and it should hit. Plus, will probably push much higher because there's a lot of shorts here holding positions. So let's try to grab a little bit more now. I want to add. Oops. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So because we have two, again, I would like to close one here and then I can hold the other one because we might go even higher. We might go up there. What's that level? Oh shit! What is that level? Is this level up here? Yeah. But I'm not gonna overstay my welcome, and I will just take what I can somewhere here. You know, if I had a chance, I'll just take one and I could hold the other one, but I can't do this here. Alright, boom, that's it. And yeah, obviously, the moment they push, they will sell. Can pull a little bit lower. Yeah, there you go. We're pulling a bit lower. We are pulling even lower now. Let's see what they're gonna do. Wow. So if I sold just one, I would be stopped on the other one, I think. So maybe it's much better to, and who knows, we might just drop the view up. There you go. Oh, this is bullish as F, but it's 11 o'clock. Well, okay, let's just experiment a little bit, and if we will go higher. There you go. Good momentum. I mean, you have momentum like this. Boom. Yeah. Let's have a look how far we would go. Are we gonna hit that? Yes, we did hit this. So we hit that level. And that means that that's a sale, but I'll be, because we can continue to yesterday's high. But I'm not gonna trade after 11 o'clock. This is all done. I just wanna see quickly what market did after we hit that level. Yeah, falling. That looks like you could try and go long here. Maybe here. Yeah. Into this fair value gap you have to close. Yeah. Now probably another leg down. So yeah, that was they wanted to sell it. Okay, now another level is this. We have view up here as well. Boom. Wow. So we did take that. We grabbed the view up as well. I'm not gonna trade, but if this was during the from 9 o'clock till 11 o'clock until 10:30 o'clock. Yeah, 11 o'clock is like the last moment. Then I would buy from here. I'll just but it's actually dropping us. The momentum is to the downside. It's pretty decent drop. So this could actually drop lower and then come back here. Okay, bouncing one more time, and now building up a little bit of yeah. Now they took shorts from this area. Let's see if we drop lower. Holding, and now pushed second time. And how about I mean, you can, what time is it? 54. You can short this here and see what's gonna happen. I mean, it has to work immediately. So it was one and the second time, and now if we break that, we're gonna go. But if not, they have to be out. Fair value gap, bullish one. And we should drop and we are not. We should have dropped on that thing into this level, and we didn't. So out. That means that we held the value gap. We will try to push higher, or at least hold the level. Okay, we did push through this level or not? One tick. Whoa. Now we're dropping so high. Look how many times shorts going here, pushed, shorts shorting here, pushed, shorts shorting here, pushed, and now we're dropping. Well, let's see how far we're gonna drop. Let's drop. Finally, I took the liquidity, but only one tick again. It's not a proper. It's not a proper way of dealing. There you go. Now we have drop. Beautiful drop. A proper liquidity sweep. 97 to 94. 3 points. So even if you were right by shorting it, look how many times they will take you, and they will stop you once, twice, and then the market drop. I expected the market to continue on this, and they didn't do it. So yeah, what time is it here? 12:12. Okay, at this point this is long, but because it's lunchtime, I'm not gonna do anything. It's lunchtime. Look, yeah, there you go. Wow, so we are dropping even lower at this point into that level. So that means that market most likely is gonna go and grab this liquidity just to collect everything on the long side. This is lunchtime, so you can't trust price action during lunchtime. Look at that. So I've been pushing, somebody went long, they pushed down again. Looks good, looks very good, you know, for long, but then boom, suddenly it's just doing crazy stuff. Okay, they might push higher now. 12:35. Yeah. I took these shorts. How about we drop one more time? You see? Don't trust price action. I mean, this is kind of repeat pattern. Look at that. Drop, and then boom. Drop, push down, take you out, like they took out here. Drop, and you think it's gonna go, and it doesn't. Now they took it. What time is it? 52. Let's see another candle. Now they took that level. Okay. Looks like we're holding. And we're gonna go for this level now. You could go long here. It's not a best, but it probably not gonna give you that. Because those little candles pushing, it means market's gonna go. Look. Okay, little drop. What time is it? 1 o'clock. So whoever was shorting, they took him up there and they sold. So transaction is over again. And yeah, we might drop, we might create liquidity at this level. But transaction is over once we push through this liquidity, because that was the level, right? When you think about it, it was just pretty, that was the level. They never took, they took it by one tick, it's nothing. This is why they decided to take everybody out. I think we're gonna go lower. We went lower, not low enough. Just looking at that, what time is it? 2:17. Whew. So they grabbed that liquidity now. Pushing high. Long. Long because, the price action here, I think we're just gonna go. There you go. Sell one, put your stop loss. The trade is paid now. This trade is paid. Struggling with, we can actually drop into this fair value gap at this point. We could. We're after lunch. So it's a decision whether you wanna keep that risk, you wanna extend the risk, or you just wanna close. And to be honest, 9 times out of 10 I'm gonna be stopped. So I prefer to take it, and that's it. There you go. Well, would I be stopped? I was, my stop loss was here, so not this time. There you go. 9 times out of 10. That was the one which was holding. Okay. Where are they going? Here and here, most likely. You need a pullback to get in. That's nice. 46. So this is 1 minute on the 15-minute candle. The first minute, second minute. And there you go. Now let's see if they're going to take a low or the 15-minute candle. No. Why go now? What time is it? 3:10. And I would like to see a flash of this whole level before we go higher. And we might not get it. Because they've been flashing it on a regular basis. Oh, that's nice. What time is it? We got 12 more minutes. I'm gonna go long here. My stop loss is, my target is somewhere here, just in front of that. Look at that. So let drop. Ten more minutes. They grabbed that, they sold into it. I'm gonna go flat here. Forget it. I'm gonna hold because if we push higher, not yet. Not yet. Finally we push. Okay. And that is 56, 57, 58, and 59. And this is a 4 p.m. candle. That's it. Yeah, 3,750. What was important, that bit when the market opened, to recognize this seek and destroy, this luring longs. I'm actually going to switch this into 5 minutes now, so you can see it better. Let me remove this. So this is when market opened. 9:30 here. Push. We couldn't get to this level. That was some kind of level from yesterday. Yeah, that was this level. We couldn't push into that. We tried a couple of times. A lot of longs got on that move from the open. Then we dropped. But how we dropped? We dropped just to take that liquidity. Everything from the open plus a little bit off from the pre-market. And if you look at the volume profile, this is where they went to grab that liquidity here. Yeah, they didn't have to go long because they already did this here. If we didn't have that spike, if there was just a little candle like that, our market will probably, most likely, push into that liquidity and stop somewhere here, because we'll have trapped shorts in this area, so they will stop somewhere, just like they stopped here, pretty much. I think that was a news. We had a news today. Empire State Manufacturing Index. So that's the reason why we didn't go lower, because we already cleared that liquidity. And that was tricky here, because we can always go a little bit lower to go back up, but they held it low. Then from here, once you see this push, you know, are they going to sell into the level? That's for sure. That's what they want to do, because a lot of shorts jumped on that move here and here, and if they didn't cover, they were hoping for more somewhere down there. If they didn't cover, they start to realize at this point, wait a second, this is going up. Now you can buy that because you got this momentum on this candle. You can even go 2 contracts here. You got 701 and the top is 705.75, so almost 6. So it's 5 points. But you have to sell it into this high. You cannot just hold and hope for more, because look what happened. Immediately dropped. And we could have continued on, but they decided to buy one more time. Pump this into the highest levels, into the next levels of liquidity, and then they dropped. So that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, comment, if you have any questions, what I do, how I do it. I am learning like everybody else. Practice is the most important thing here. This stuff is not random. There is a rule around all of this. Market wanted to go up today, but it doesn't go in the straight line. If you bought it here, you probably gave it. If you didn't sell. If you bought it here and you were hoping for this, you didn't get it. If you bought it up here, like what they did, they took it down. I mean, the ideal scenario it would be if they dropped even below that to grab this liquidity, but they haven't done it. So, alright, this is Trap Trader from London currently on holiday, and we have been trading replay of 16th of July 2024 ES contract. Goodbye, see you tomorrow, and good night.